This To It skill is in Notebook, on Property tab, and focuses on Page Recorder. Page Recorder allows you to record a sequence of activities within that one page in Notebook. Now this is different than the Recorder tool in the toolbar, which is covered under another To It skill. So let's see how this one works. There's always going to be page recording, and there will always be a record and play button down here. So what I'm going to do is click on the record button, and you'll notice that up on the top it says record. I've picked up my black pen, and I'm going to write To It up here. I'll put my pen down and stop the recording. I could either press play, or I can use the control bar that's down on the bottom, where I can either rewind, pause, play, or press stop. So what I'm going to do is press the play button, and you'll see that it is writing. I can also press pause and play again, and you'll see that the dot finally came back in. So that using these controls, I can play whatever video is on here. And I can also press stop, and it will take it back to the very beginning, so it's nice and clear again. But I can also have a prompt up on the page to begin with before I do the recording. So I'm going to make a new page by going to the toolbar and pressing the New Page button. And I'm going to do a quick division problem where I'll have 28 divided by 4. That is already set up. So I'm going to press record, and now it is recording, and then I'm going to say, well, 7, and then I'm going to divide, subtract. There is no remainder, and so that is my answer. And then I'll press the record button once again to stop it. In this way, the students can see what the problem is, and they can attempt to solve it. And then in order to do the sequence of steps that is necessary, I can just press play on this page, and it will show all of the steps that I did in order to solve the problem. So they can check the sequence, not just the full written answer at the end. In addition, I can also bring other elements in. So let me make a new page, and I'm going to start recording, and I'll go into the gallery, and I'm going to bring in the To It logo and make a circle around it, put my pen back down, go back into Property, and stop recording it. So I'm now going to press play, and you'll see that it starts off with me putting in the graphic, and then you'll see the circle as it comes around, and it draws that directly in. You can bring any other static objects, any pictures, but you cannot bring in flash objects and manipulate them, because that means you need to have active control. So that is the way that you can use page recording within Notebook. Now it's time for you to get to it.